Guys, today I'm gonna show you a way to make $1,000 online just by using two websites. The good news, you don't have to pay nothing. So you're gonna ask me, it is the same speech like the great gurus? No, it is not the same thing. One thing you will have to do, watch this video all the way through the end. I'm gonna show you two websites. One website you're gonna sell something on it, the other website will help you to have the product for free. So watch this video all the way through the end. My name is Sylvester. I make daily video about how to make money online. If it is your first time you watch my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new video. But if you're already part of the family, if you're already member of this channel, make sure you like this video and comment down below. Tell me where you are coming from, because you're gonna find massive value. Let's get to my computer right now and I'm gonna show you these two websites that gonna earn you up to $1,000 per day. So let's get to my computer. I'm gonna adjust my screen to show you the method, the website, guys. So let me show you guys how it works. So I reduce my screen to show you this website that I'm talking about. So I'm recording using OBS. You can use OBS as well to record your video. So the first website that we're gonna talk about, it is Etsy. You're gonna say, I already see a lot of video about Etsy. What news that you bring to from it for to Etsy? Etsy is a good platform, but they approve only handmade product. When you mean handmade product, they want things that designed by manually or by hand or by reflection. So what you can do, you're gonna have to sell design t-shirt on this. You're gonna ask me why I'm gonna find this t-shirt to sell. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you a second website that's gonna give you the t-shirt for free, but you will have to write the design on the t-shirt. You're gonna ask me again how I'm gonna write the design, because I'm not a designer. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you a third website that's gonna write the design for you for free. Keep watching. So what you will have to do when you come to Etsy, you're gonna type things like veteran t-shirt, veteran t-shirt, or veteran shirt, things like that. So when you type veteran shirt, you're gonna see bunch of shirt related to veteran. In United States, a veteran has great respect, great importance in the eyes of any Americans, any people who live in United States, because they defend their country. They deserve respect. So when you sell things related to veteran, so you will make a lot of money. Let me show you how. You can see this thing, this is an example. This is a t-shirt for veteran. You can see for this t-shirt, these people has more than 3,985 sales. So if you just make this by time this by, go to your calculator, like let's say I go to my calculator on Google like this, okay, and type my calculator. Let me show you. I will do this live. Calculator on Google. So I'm gonna show you how much this person earned for just one t-shirt, and I'm gonna show you this guy doesn't create the t-shirt, even doesn't have the t-shirt on his hand, and he make this money. This is completely passive income. This is completely passive income. You don't spend anything, you don't spend your money, you just use your brain and you just do something that other people don't know how to do, and you keep making bunch of money. Keep watching. So let's suppose these people sell 3,980 let's see, 80 how much, 80, 85, okay, 85 sales time by the price of the t-shirt, okay, the price of the t-shirt, was okay, 99, 24.99, 99. So let's see, you can see how much this guy earns just from this single t-shirt. So you're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, how can I do this like this guy? You see this t-shirt, the guy doesn't have this t-shirt, he doesn't have it Let me show you where they find the t-shirt for free. They go to a website named Printify. Printify, it is like sell print on demand. Print on demand, it's like designing on t-shirt, on mugs, on anything. You can write your thoughts, you can write what you think, your a quote or things like that on anything like a t-shirt, a mug, or anything. So when you come to this website for free, you gonna sell. What you're gonna do, when you scroll down, you're gonna see amazing product ready for you, your design. You can design on t-shirt, you can design on hat, things like that. Okay, you can design on mug, you can design on font, anything you want. So what will happen, people would like to buy from you things related to them. A veteran will buy a t-shirt with a slogan related to veteran people. A Catholic will buy a t-shirt related to Catholicism. This is the same thing for a military. They're gonna buy things related to them. So what you do, you create your design. That if I go to Etsy, to my store, you can go to Etsy, create a free store. You don't have to pay nothing. When you create the design, Etsy Printiful will sell it for you, or you can sell it directly to Etsy. When you sell it to Etsy, Etsy gonna charge you some fee for selling this for you, but you will keep all the amount for you. It's up to you to pay tax to your government, to your country where you live, guys. But you will draw the t-shirt for free using Printify. Printify will give you the t-shirt. The t-shirt will be sent to the client by Printify, guys. Don't worry. You don't have to have it physically on your hand. Printify gonna sell the t-shirt, gonna send the t-shirt to the client. When someone buy using your Printify account, you don't have to worry about anything. You see, this is where you're gonna design your product. So to design your product, you're gonna go here, explore collection. You're gonna go right here, you can see what you want to design. So this is everything you need, guys. This is everything that you need. So you can see right here my new style. This is where you can see free things that are selling very well. So let's suppose we go to any of this design. Let's suppose for this one, this is a top glass. Okay, you can see, guys, you can start designing this. You can write on this. You just click on start designing, shipping and more details. So for shipping and more details, so start designing for people gonna buy from you. Average product, okay, production 0.65 days. Worldwide fulfillment, they can sell it worldwide for you. You can see first item, $2.5. This is the shipping rate inside of United Kingdom and United States, $4. So guys, don't worry, you can just start designing. You click right here to start designing. You can add your own design. So what you will have to do, you will say, Mr. Vanel, I don't know how to design on something like this. So what you will have to do, you can go to a website like Fiverr.com. Once you go to Fiverr.com, you can design on anything. You can type designing, okay, on phone case, or on phone case, or phone case design. So you can buy a design. I don't know, anything that you want, guys. You can buy a design. You're gonna see, you're gonna spend around $5, not too much. You can see $5, most of the time $5, $15, just to order a design. But what will happen, guys, when you order a design from this guy for only $5, and you just put the design on your Printify dropshipping, you just add the design right here. What will happen? Let's suppose I had the design. I have a design and I just add it. So what will happen? You can just go take some custom text. Let's say I can add some custom text like this. Let's say I add something like, my husband is a veteran. So guys, I just typed this. So I have to readjust the size, the scaling, things like that. So what will happen, you will have to reduce the size of the text. you can reduce it right here. Let's reduce this. So you can reduce the size of the text or maybe the way you write it. So you can double click on this, my husband, like this. Let's suppose you put this first text. Let's say I just type word by word, things like that. Let's suppose I say my husband like this. This is the first one. Let's say this is the first one, and here you can see, guys, alignment. So this is how you modify everything. You can add layer on them. So layer can be picture, or you can just go to your device, go find layer. Like I just find this design that I just find. For the resolution, you can see this is a design that I just take. So let's suppose I just increase the size like this. My husband is a veteran, something like that. This logo, I just download this using a website. I have to give you everything, guys. I must give you everything so you can know how to find logo or find design, just to create some simple artwork and sell them on Etsy, guys. It's easy, anyone can do this. You don't have to be super smart, guys. Let me show you. So you go to this free website, you just create a free logo. You just go right here, you say my husband is a veteran. Or you can just type something different. You can say proud to be a veteran, something like this. And on category, you can choose things related to politics because it is military things. So you can choose something related to politics, and you can see right here you're gonna have things that you can download, guys. You can see this is how you do it, guys. This is how you do it. So let's suppose you have this one, you can have this one. On any of them, you just download them, and they're gonna send it to your email, and you download this. And guys, I am so I'm 100% sure that you're gonna love this type of design. Let's suppose this is the design that you just create for free. I'm gonna give you three websites. The first was where to sell, which is Etsy. The second was Printify, where you create your logo, and the last one or the third one is free logo design.org, where you create a free logo and you just upload this logo to your email. And when they send it to your email, you can see here I can download it for free. They send it to your email, you can upload it to your logo. Beside this, you can put some picture of a military or a veteran like you guys. You just put a picture of a veteran of a military, guys. And let's suppose like this, they send it to my email. So one thing I will have to do, I have to open my email to take the free design, guys. Okay, so when I have the free design, and I can upload this design to my Etsy account. Etsy have a lot of visitors. You don't have to do nothing for the visitors because Etsy already have them. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes how many people visit Etsy every single day from the United States to buy things on Etsy. So you create a free account on Etsy. You see my logo is ready. So here I'm gonna download the logo for free. So I have this logo downloaded. So what will happen, I will use this logo that I just created, and I will put it on my logo that I'm designing, and this is how everything will start. So let's suppose I go to my 25 design. This is right here. So below I can add it. Okay, I can add it. Okay, so let's suppose this one we finish with this. Okay, let's suppose I remove this. Let's suppose I remove this and I add a new layer. Layer means something that you're gonna put on your design. So let's go to my computer and go to the new one that I just made. Proud to be uh, a military or a veteran. So guys, let's suppose you have this on your phone, on a phone like this, my husband, or you can just remove this. No need for this. You can just remove this text. No need for this text. Okay, let me see the background. Okay, let's say, let's take this text and remove it. So let's suppose I have this, only this thing here, proud to be a veteran. So what will happen when you have this? You can just preview how it will looks like, okay, how it will be on your phone. So it's like on an iPhone, you just want to sell this to veteran, you want to upload this. So just imagine how many people in United States who serve in the military and the army who are veteran gonna buy this. Proud to be a veteran, guys. So when you finish with this, everything is okay for you guys. So you can just download your design, or you can just keep it. It's up to you guys. It's depend on what you want to do with this. Okay, so glossy, it is for glossy, or for matte, or it will look like on matte. So they're gonna mixing paint for you, because if someone has a glossy font case, or if they want a matte a matte one. So guys, this is how you do everything. So now we finish with the design. You can see right here how many variant that you want to have on this back of phone. So you can see you can sell this $15. When you create this design, you're gonna sell it $15 using the website. Okay guys, so let's suppose I just click on this, I download the design. This design that I just create, I download it and I can upload it to my Etsy account. So you see on the veteran, you can see veteran fun. Okay, let's say veteran fun design. Okay, let's say font design, font case. Okay, font case 11. They want you to write something that is unique, that is that people will love. So just imagine I'm on Etsy. Let me show you how many people will visit Etsy for the last 30 days to see how many sales you can have. And after, I'm gonna go to YouTube and show you people who have great success using Etsy. So you can see from United States alone, 62% of people who come to Etsy come from United States. So they are veteran, they're gonna love it. Let's see an example. For the last 30 days, let me show you. You can see 63 people, percent of people who visit Etsy are from United States. Let's see for the monthly visits. You see more than 341 million people every single month visit Etsy to buy things, phone case or things related. So as a veteran, so you will have to list your phone, you're gonna sing and create an account on Etsy. Every minute you're gonna receive something like that. Aching, aching. It is sales from Etsy. People will just buy your design. So if this video bring you value, guys, one thing you have to know now, comment down below, tell me that you find value and you're gonna try this method. Don't forget, you will need 3 websites to make the $1,000 that I just promised you. The first one will be Etsy, we are on it. The second will be on Printify, you're gonna create your design. And the third one will be going to a free website, like a free logo design website. We're gonna create some artwork for you that you're gonna upload to your design and sell them on Etsy. Etsy is a handmade business. They will need you to create things that you make with your hand, but I give you a way. You use 25, you create your design, you find ID of design on freelogo.org, and you create your first design and sell them on Etsy. It was your boy Vanel. I hope this video bring you value. Bye bye.